Welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to install this new programming language called Notron onto your Windows 10 PC. So first of all, you're going to have to go online, so I'm using Firefox, and go to the site peggy'sparlour.co.uk/josub/Notron. Then on here it should look a bit like this. You want to click Notron installer, save that file, and Notepad++ language file, save that as well. So I should have both of them. And if you don't have Notepad++, you should download it from here, but I do, as you can see. So if I go into my downloads, you can see I have these two files. Now what I want to do is I want to run the Notron installer.exe. Just run it. If it comes up with errors, I mean not errors, security issues, yeah, there's nothing bad with it. So run this program. Yeah, it's just because like it doesn't have a valid license or something. I don't know. So then once you've got it, you want to read through this and accept the agreement and install it. So now it should be installed. You can delete that. Then now you need to make a new file, just a plain file, and just call it anything, so any.notron. There we go. Then you want to try and open it, and it should say how do you want to open it. You're going to have to go down to look for another app on this PC, go to program files times 86, and then try and find Notron here. There it is, and click compiler.exe. Then wait a second for that to run that program, and it should just do nothing at the moment. So that should be, if I try and open this, yeah, it runs it as that. Now that's good. Now you want to go into Notepad++. Here we are, and go to language. Oh wait, that won't be there. Let me just get rid of this. Okay, so let's do that again. So now you want to go into Notepad++, click language, find your language, import, then go to where you downloaded this, Notron for Notepad++.xml. Go in that, import successful, that's good. Now if you go back and go to language, it shouldn't be there, but if you like open it again, then it should be there this time. Language Notron. So now you can type Notron code. So now you can see this logo is updated, which is good. So here now I can just click edit with Notepad++. Language is Notron, that's good. So let's just show you that this works. Output hello world. Save that, and then run it. It says hello world. So yeah, now I can delete that and close this, and yeah, so that's, you can delete that as well now. So that's it. That's how you install it.